County, Illinois, southwestern White County, and southeast Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing walnut-size hail. This storm was located near El Dorado.